The journey of innovation begins with the final masterpiece, a Samsung smartphone crafted with precision and purpose. Behind this creation lies one of the world's most advanced manufacturing ecosystems, where robotics, engineering, and human expertise come together. Today, we step inside Samsung's futuristic smartphone factory, a realm of automation, accuracy, and technological excellence. It all begins with the materials, aluminum frames and glass sheets moving into the preparation stage. Metal frame forming. Giant robotic presses strike with immense force, shaping each aluminum block into the elegant smartphone frame. CNC machines carve speaker slots, charging ports, and fine details with microscopic precision. Polishing. Rotating arms polish the metal, giving the frame its flawless, smooth finish. Glass panel prep. Gorilla Glass sheets are laser cut to exact specifications. Durable, thin, and perfectly measured. Dust removal air shower. Each glass piece passes through a dust-free air corridor, ensuring absolute clarity. Robotic frame inspection. AI scanners inspect every angle, verifying strength, alignment, and symmetry. Blue Circle internal component production. PCB line start. The heart of the smartphone is the PCB. Here, fresh boards enter the automated production lane. Microchip placement. High-speed pick-and-place robots position thousands of microchips every minute. Soldering process. Reflow ovens heat each PCB, bonding components with molten solder. Camera module fab. Delicate robotic arms assemble multi-lens camera modules with microscopic accuracy. Battery production. Layer by layer, lithium battery cells are pressed, sealed, and reinforced. Flex cable prep. Ultra-thin flexible circuits roll out, ready to connect essential components. Speaker unit fab. Miniature speaker systems are crafted. The newly soldered boards cool down as they move through controlled tunnels. Metal frame arrival. The polished metal frames enter the main assembly tunnel. Motherboard installation. Robotic arms carefully place the motherboard at the core of each frame. Battery packs lock into position with secure magnetic precision. Triple camera modules are aligned and installed into the rear housing. Front display install. A vacuum robot lowers the glass display onto the frame with absolute accuracy. Water-resistant adhesive seals are applied to protect the device from moisture. The rear panel is pressed firmly, completing the structural enclosure. Blue Circle quality testing area. The device undergoes stress tests to ensure long-term durability. Water resistance check. A pressure-controlled chamber verifies the phone's water resistance rating. Drop test machine. Robotic drop equipment simulates everyday accidents over and over again. The iconic Samsung logo is etched with high precision. The operating system is installed, bringing the hardware to life. Air jets deliver a final dust-free,